So the move command will operate pretty close or similar to the copy command, except it's not going to copy the object, it's just going to move the object. So if we were to come down and select move, again, you can type in on the command line, you can type in MOVE for move, and it'll uh, initiate the move command. So you select the entities that you want to move, you press enter, and then you pick where you want to move it from and where you want to move it to. So pretty straightforward, very simple, except it's moving the object versus making the copy. So I can select a bunch of objects here, and you can do the selection first and then do the modify and then move command. Pick your start point and your destination point. So pick where you want to, select it and move it to. You can also select the objects and right click, and the move command is there. Same thing with the copy command. So if I click on move, it's going to run that move command that way. So that could be a very easy way to move or copy objects. I could right click, again, copy like I was showing you in the copy command, and it will copy these objects around your particular drawing. So move and copy are very similar. Move is just going to move the objects. Copy is going to make a copy as it moves the object.